Khabri is another dog that I started using Pashupati with. So initially Khabri started just losing weight. Even though बहुत खा रहा था, he was eating good food, good nutritionist food like chicken and all of that, but he still was just fading away. I could not really figure out Park में कि what was the issue, and then we got him picked up and sent him to a shelter. There we got to know that Khabri unfortunately had distemper. He started twitching around his forehead, and we actually just had to take a quick action. So they also started using Pashupati. Khabri recovered so beautifully.